Hi there, this is an army rocket launcher. This is a diecast and it comes with 3 different designs. This is a truck where you can put things in it, and this is the missile launcher. So let's open this and take a look what's in there. So alright, this is how the missile launcher looks like. You can launch 8 missiles and you can actually put it up, push it down, and this is made of metal die cast. It comes with 6 wheels, very nice. It comes with those camouflage army design. So let's roll it. Alright, let's take a look at another one. Next one will be this one. This is the truck. You can actually pull it up, push it down. This is exactly the same, and it comes with 6 wheels as well. And this die cast can move as well. So last, this is the rocket launcher. Let's take a look at this rocket launcher. It's the rocket itself is in the army camouflage design. Very nice, and it can goes up and down as well. Yep, 6 views, same as the rest. Yep, very similar to this. Yeah, very similar except for this 2 part. Okay, so let's try and move it. Two. You can buy these 3 separately, or you can just buy 3 of them together, at a better price. Just click at the link below in the description and you can just buy it from our Shopee shop. So that's all. Thanks and have a nice day. Bye.